How do you climb Mount Everest? One step at a time. Now, this seems obvious, but the truth is, if you think of any goal of yours, it could be personal goal, financial goal, or professional goal. If you think of your goal as one big mountain to climb, and though we know that the easiest way to climb that Mount Everest is by taking one step at a time, the fact is it is easier said than done. You know it, and I know it. And therefore, in this short video, inside this video, I'm going to share with you a number one hack and also give you a gift to actually put that into implementation. Hi, my name is Rupa Patil. I'm a certified mastermind professional, an international business mentor, trainer, author, and speaker. And inside this video, I'm going to give you the very same hack that I follow. And many of my business mentees from over 17 countries actually follow this one hack. And I'm also going to give you an implementable gift by the end of this video. So the number one hack to actually take that one step at a time is by taking whatever your big goal is, and divide that into smaller tasks. Now, of course, many of you already do it. But now what do we do with those tasks? The simplest way to climb that Mount Everest after we break that big goal down into smaller tasks is by creating and maintaining our momentum. Now, again, another thing which is simpler said than done. I get it, because I have personally struggled with that for so many years, and that is why I have created this little tool which will help you not only build momentum towards achieving that big goals, but also to maximize that momentum. All right, are you ready for it? Because this is the exact gift that I'm going to give to you as well. Presenting Momentum Maximus. Now, of course, this is my Momentum Maximus, this is the exact thing that I use on a day-to-day basis. But the gift for you is I am going to give to you an editable version of what you see on the screen so that you can take this gift and edit it for your own self. You can remove my name, put your own name, and that becomes your Momentum Maximus. Yes, that's a little name that I have given an identity to my momentum tracker or a weekly tracker, because the idea is to focus on progress, not perfection. And the reason we do that is because we want to achieve kick-ass results. And in order to do that, of course, we need to take consistent action. So this Momentum Maximus is all about helping you create an awesome momentum and then maintain it and then maximize it. Let me quickly walk you through what it is. So at a simplest level, if I were to pick another name for Momentum Maximus, I would say it is a weekly tracker and more. Why weekly tracker? As you can see, once you customize this for yourself by putting your own name, you can put the week's name. Now, I generally look at my week starting from Monday. I know many of you believe that way. But if you feel that your week starts from Sunday, well, shift it, because I'm going to give you an editable version of it. Now, I have talked about it. How do you get that? All you need to do is reach out to me or click on that link below and reach out to me, email me, or comment below saying Momentum Maximus. The simplest and the surest way to get a copy, an editable copy of Momentum Maximus, is email me, rupa@rupapatil.com, and ask for this editable version of Momentum Maximus, and I will give it to you. So, whatever your big goal is, all you need to do is convert that into smaller actions. Now think about it. Let's say that your one big goal is your income goal, that is to create 10,000 US dollars this month. In that case, probably one of the things that you absolutely need to focus on is income generating activities. And then you need to track it on daily basis. That is what I have done. And so many business mentees of mine actually do that. So whatever matters to you, put that tasks in here so that you can track them on a weekly basis. But as I said, this is not just a weekly tracker. This is a weekly tracker to do more, to be more, to have more. And this is the powerful section of this tracker. So the focus here is for you to get a high level overview of why you're doing what you're doing. So I encourage you every week to write down your annual goals, as you can see here, convert that into your monthly goals, and convert that into your weekly focus. So whatever your annual goal is, convert that into monthly goals into weekly goals, and you write it down. So of course, you can take a digital version of it and stick to digital version. I like writing it down. And the reason why this is more than a tracker is because using this little section here at the bottom, you can not only implement, but you get an opportunity to review and improvise your momentum, and then repeat that process all over again. And for this, there are 3 important questions that you answer by the end of this week. So once again, this last section is implemented only at the end of the week. After you fill in this tracker, you ask yourself what worked, what did you do right, and you write it down. What did not work? Now, I don't want you to be harsh with yourself. Whatever that is, whatever did not work, maybe you missed out on a day, maybe you did not do enough income generating activities, maybe you didn't sleep well, whatever that is, you are going to write it down based on how your weekly tracker looks like. And then comes $1 million question: what can be done differently the next week? And this is why this Momentum Maximus is all about progress and consistent action for creating kick-ass results. And once again, I am giving away this as a gift. Typically, this is what I give to my paid clients. But if you are somebody who is struggling with creating momentum and maintaining that momentum, or if you have not really achieved your desired results in the past month or the past year, do not be harsh on yourself. Tomorrow is a fresh new day. Next week is a fresh new week. Implement this Momentum Maximus for at least 90 days and then see what happens to your results. So in order to get this Momentum Maximus, an editable version for yourself, all you need to do is reach out to me at rupapatil.com. So once again, this is somewhere here. As you can see, this is rupapatil.com, rupa@rupapatil.com. Reach out to me and ask me for giving you an editable version of this Momentum Maximus, so that you can absolutely take that one step at a time to climb your Mount Everest. And once again, if you're wondering what this is, well, this is a little gift which is readily available for all the members of my Transformational Heart Leaders group. This is a free Facebook group. All you need to do is, once again, I'll show you where it is. You can see this is the bit.ly link of it, bit.ly Heart Leaders, or go to Facebook and search for Transformational Heart Leaders. That is the name of my Facebook group. And this little manifesto is available there that you can download, you can print, you can frame it, and you can put it up so that you can read all these amazing things. I'm not going to read out everything that is here, but you can read things like this, which serves as a reminder for you to achieve your personal goals, your financial goals, and your leadership goals or your professional goals. So that is the little gift. So in fact, there are 2 gifts. One is you can go ahead and download this manifesto from my Facebook group, Transformational Heart Leaders, and you can reach out to me personally or leave a comment here, and I will give you an editable version of your own Momentum Maximus so that you can go ahead and achieve whatever your desired results are. Desired goals are your personal goals, professional goals, or financial goals. See you soon and wish you an amazing momentum. Bye-bye.